Yes.
Okay, so my son bought me this beverage. Thank you, son.
Mm-hmm.
And you push the top down and a little glass ball comes out. So he did it, so now it's my turn.
Ramoon grape.
And he bought me
Japanese soda.
This orange one. I don't know if I could do it with my nails, son. And I'm trying to film. Can you do?
Oh, I can do that for you if you want.
Thanks. Got it?
Let me. Oh shoot! You're wanting
That's
to get
hard,
that.
huh?
Well, is this even?
I don't know. Did I do it wrong?
No, it wasn't even detached from the thing. I know you're supposed to be able to press down on it, but sometimes they stick.
Oh, okay.
All right. That or I'm just weak.
No, here, let me hold the base so it doesn't slip.
There we go. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready. Jesus.
See, I wouldn't have been able to do that with my nails.
Why is this so hard? There we go.
You did it.
It just drops down in there. Oh, jeez. What the heck? Mine wasn't that hard because yours had this. Mine, like, covered the cap.
Oh.
So I'm trying to, like, balance it on there.
Maybe I broke it.
Mm-mm.
I don't know.
Well, I mean...
And it just jingles in there?
Technically, I guess we should have kept there was, like, the wrapping that held it in there in place. Maybe we should have used that to just push it down. Yeah.
That's interesting.
It is. It's a very cool product.
It made a gurgle sound. Did you hear it? It made a gurgle sound.
Where's that Pocky? I also bought Pocky. Basically.
Well, thank you, son.
Japanese sweets for today.
Thank you.
No problem.
And thank you for lunch, too.
Thank God for the mall. I mean, seriously. No. A specific store.
And my shake. Thank you for my shake. It was really nice.
It was a good shake. It was steak and shake was good. Other than the chronic diarrhea and constipation.
Oh, dear son. I was videotaping.
Oh. Well, I mean...
Oh, my goodness.
Classy.